On the news tonight, her former boyfriend is now dead, but the criminal case against Michelle Troconis continues. She's facing charges in the disappearance of her former lover's estranged wife, Jennifer Dulos. Today, Troconis was back in court for the first time since Fotis Dulos killed himself, and she now has a new attorney. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland has been covering the case. He's live now with what happened today. Matt?
Well, Dennis, Michelle Troconis' new attorney made a number of requests, including asking the judge to remove her GPS ankle monitoring bracelet, also asking the judge to take her off of house arrest, allowing her to travel freely between Connecticut, Massachusetts, and New York. Both of those requests, the judge denied. With her new lawyer leading the way and her father and sister by her side, Michelle Troconis walked into court for the first time since her former boyfriend and co-defendant Fotis Dulos died after last week's suicide attempt. Once inside the courtroom, Troconis used a Spanish interpreter for the first time in any of her appearances dating back to June.
She doesn't need every word translated, but I'm suggesting to the court that she does not necessarily follow everything 100%.
Last month, state police charged her with conspiracy to commit murder in connection to the May disappearance of Jennifer Dulos, a missing mother of 5 from New Canaan. At the time she vanished, Troconis was dating Fotis Dulos, Jennifer's estranged husband. Police eventually charged him with murder, but he died last week, just a few days after trying to kill himself inside his Farmington home.
We will waive the reading, enter not guilty, jury election.
New defense attorney John Schoenhorn asked for GPS monitoring to be no longer required, claiming she's not a flight risk, and even showing the judge a picture, saying the ankle bracelet is too tight, causing bruising and chafing. The state argues they've tried to make accommodations.
When they loosened it one notch, it was too loose, and it was kind of unwieldy, so they've got it in a situation where they think it's as best they can possibly do.
While the GPS monitoring will remain, so too will her house arrest, but she'll now have a little more freedom. In addition to court, meeting with her lawyer, going to the doctors, or church, she can now leave her home for work-related appointments and to go shopping. But those first must be approved by probation. And there's no side trips.
I have no other comment because I don't know enough to say anything other than what I've said before. Michelle is innocent of these charges, and we plan to fight them through the courts.
Now, something new that came out in court, the chief state's attorney saying that there appeared to be an attempt at communication between Michelle Troconis and Fotis Dulos when he was alive. That's something that goes against their condition of release. We'll have that part of the story coming up tonight at 6. We're live with the mobile newsroom. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.